Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chashton Yakshimash and good day y'all. Today I have got something a little bit different for you. We are going to need this, and we are going to need this maybe. So, what are we doing? Okay, let's take a look. Now, as you guys know from previous videos, I love watches. Always have, always will. And recent times, my favorite watches are the Citizen Eco Drive, which you guys would have seen. So I bought myself a Citizen Eco Drive, broken, on eBay, very cheap. And this is my very, very basic watch kit. So here we have the watch. Okay. So there we go. It is a Citizen Eco Drive, water resistant to 100 meters. It's got a little bit of scratching on the front of it, but as you can see, it's kind of like skipping the time, and that indicates, I mean, I can have it on charge for all day in bright sunshine, and then as soon as you take it inside, it stops. So as soon as you put any kind of like shadow onto it, it's gonna stop. So the main thing I can think with this that is wrong with it is the battery. Now, I always thought that trying to change the battery on these was going to be an absolute nightmare. Let's find out. Now, I have to confess that I have taken the back off it because I had to get the details of the battery, which I bought on Amazon for 20 quid. 2955100 Citizen. I guess there's tape on this, is there? Oh no, it's just a very tight box. Hey, that's what she said. So let's open it up. There we go. Instructions. And the battery. These batteries that these use are called resistor batteries. They're not just any old battery. These are resistors. So I had to look inside, and I got the details. See if we can zoom in. There we go. Panasonic MT621. Oh, well, I'll show you when I take that off in there. Right, okay, so let's put the battery to one side for the moment. And let's get into this watch. So to make it easy, I'm going to remove see, it's a very, very basic watch kit that I got from eBay. There we go. Pop that back in. Now I need to push out. It's even got a little thing here for taking the dials off, which I won't be doing. So let's remove one of these pins. There was one that I did move last, this one. Oops. I don't think I used this last time, did I? Ah, there we go. Just remove that one, pop it there, safe, and open up the link, so that makes it easier to get into it. There's a horrible, disgusting, revolting sticker there that I'm going to remove. So what I would use is this device then to take it off, but like I said, I've already done it. Just pop this in the pins and twist it. There we go, nice and easy. And there we go, that is what's on the inside. On the case, there is a seal there, which is in excellent condition. And there's the details of it there. And here, I don't know if you can see with this, if it'll let you. Okay, that's basically the gubbins of it. So there is where the battery is. That is the battery that's going to be removed. So I took the details off the battery there, did a search for it onto Amazon and eBay. I had a look in eBay and Amazon, and they were pretty much the same price. So this is the battery that we have to replace. So I have to, you can see there's a tiny little bar that holds the battery in place there, and at the edge of the underneath the battery there's a little metal like clippy thing, and it goes in there and in there. It's quite it was quite a pain in the derriere to remove. So just, there we go. And there we have the old battery removed. Not that you can see it very clearly there. Okay, so I'm going to put that to one side. This is a very easy, quick video for you guys. So I'm now going to take the new battery out. And what I'm looking for, if I can see, is, if you can see it there, that tiny little piece of metal that needs to go into there. So I need to get it into position. Okay. Let's turn it over. Now I'm assuming this battery is as flat as a witch. So I'm going to have to leave it charge up. I just want to take a look at this. I think I'm going to have to use this and get quite close. It seems to be sticking up a little bit, this little arm. I'm not entirely happy with that, but it is holding it in. I'm going to leave it like that. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to seal it up properly. I'm just going to put the back on and just screw it on just ever so slightly, lightly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it, set the time. Let's pull you back a bit, there we go. What? Oh, I am a complete and utter donkey. So pulling it out on one way changes it. So I'm turning it in that direction. And then I turn it that way and that changes the... Oh, what a donkey. Excuse me, guys. Tuesday the 30th. Right, so it is now 6:25. Push it in a bit. I'm making the right dogs in out of this, aren't I? There we go. We are set. So I'm going to leave it under the studio lights just for a little while, just to see how it goes. Is there markings on what it is? So this is the Citizen Eco Drive, water resistant 10 bar, Movement Japan GN4WS 350162. And like I said, I got this very cheap from eBay because it was broken, and I think it is literally just a battery, because now if you look at it, it is ticking away really well. Right, okay, I'm going to leave it for a couple of hours and come back to you, and we will see how it goes on. So I'm going to leave you there and just leave you for a little bit in time lapse. Okay, so far so good. It is still ticking away and it looks really, really nice. What we're going to do next is we're going to give it a bit of a clean and a polish on the glass, and I'm going to remove that revolting sticker that's just disgusting and clean it all. So what I'm going to do is remove the strap from here and here, put it in the sonic cleaner, but yeah, we'll just try and make it look a little bit fresh, and then I can start using it again. So there we go. That is it for now. I'm going to leave this for 24 hours to charge up under a lamp in the kitchen, and I'll be back to you tomorrow. Okay, my little whippersnappers, it is the next day. I have removed the bracelet completely from the strap, and the watch is now absolutely perfect, keeping its time and no problems at all. So I've had it out in daylight today, and yeah, it's worked really well. It's fine. So what we're going to try and do is, see those scratches on it, we're going to try and do something with the scratches, and we're also going to use my machine here, my my little ultrasonic cleaner to put the bracelet through, because that could do with a good clean, and we'll give that a little bit of a polish as well. So I'm going to set everything up and do the polishing and everything, and you guys can watch. So there we go. That is now fixed. Very simple fix with a new battery, but cleaning it in the ultrasonic cleaner, removing that horrible sticker off the back, which was all yucky, and polishing it. Oh, there's a thumbprint on there. I've left a thumbprint. No. There we go. That looks really, really nice. The strap has come up lovely as well. I give it a little bit of polish with some metal cleaner. I give the face a bit of a polish as well. I didn't get rid of all the scratches. There's a big deep one there, but to be honest, I didn't pay that much for it. So all in all, with the battery, I think it cost me about 40 quid, and just a bit of time and a little bit of patience, and there we go. So I've got another Eco Drive up and fixed. I'll just take off my old Timex. That's another one that's going to need a bit of a clean and a polish at some point. And let's put it on. And there we go. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. So that is ticking away now, and I can use that as well. A lot of them that I've bought in the past have been new, but it is quite nice to buy some of these as well secondhand. Especially the ones where you know that the battery is broken. If it's anything more in depth, I wouldn't have a clue. I really genuinely wouldn't have a clue. But I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.